Another day, another optimism airdrop to everyone that uses another protocol. Exotic markets from Thales. I went over Thales, which is this one, about 2 weeks ago. Pretty cool project. And now they have two more. They had another one before, which was this one over time. Just started, I think, like a month ago. And they just launched this one, Exotic Markets. And every one of those project will give you optimism rewards. Check the optimism exotic reward blog post, which is right here. Let's go over this real quick. I really start to like Tails. They're very responsive. I talked to them a little on a little bit here, a little bit on Discord. They will implement the changes that I said as a user feedback in the last video. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff to implement, but either way, this video is not about Tails. And by the way, the big picture, I assume all the revenue or share of the revenue will go to Synthetics stakers, which is pretty awesome as well. If you don't know, I'm super bullish on Synthetics as well. I think it's like 90% this week for stakers. I don't have a position just yet, but I'm planning on going super big on synthetic stakers soon. So what do we have? Let's read about it just quickly. Exotic market just got a boost with added optimism reward. First it was Tails. Yep, we've done that. Optimism incentive. Then over time, we're gonna go over this as well. And now exotic markets. Are you ready? We're gonna check all this. Basically 10,000 OP tokens based on pro rata volume for the next 4 weeks. And you got 50 bucks per wallet minimum to trade. So you need to gamble with 50 bucks over the next 4 weeks. I assume it's total and not just one trade. I don't know. We'll be distributing 10,000 OP tokens after the campaign ends to those who qualify in proportion to the total volume within 4 weeks. Okay, so before we go over exotic markets, let's go over the one that launched, I think, like a month ago. Sports betting over time. I really like this one. I haven't done anything just yet, but for all of you sports fan, we need something like this on crypto. And again, this looks good. I mean, let's pick what I like. I like basketball. There's soccer, football, MMA. Basketball coming soon, and basketball in here. That's interesting. So I assume this is baseball. Okay, I didn't still need my second cup of coffee. So baseball in here, basketball and hockey coming soon. Pretty good. So let's see soccer, what they have. If you're in Europe, this talks to you. Football season just started. Baseball season okay as well. Vertebrum. Okay, can I change the, let's see if I can do anything in here. All these games. A lot of people gamble in Europe, including myself when I was living back home. But yeah, that's pretty good. Start September 9, which is today, the 2:30. I think it's Eastern time, or I don't know. It doesn't say here if it's Eastern time or European time, but it's not a big deal. Let's see what we got. Let's find some Bayern München or something that I know. Maybe they can add like a filter for the leagues in here. Which leagues? Because it's all, this is just going by the date, which is fine. But let's say I just want to focus on Spanish league, Germany league, Premier League, Italian, Serie A, etc., etc. And then just filter by leagues instead of just filter by time. Okay, maybe it's here somewhere, but I don't know. Let's find someone, Real Madrid or something. Bayern München versus Stuttgart. So if Bayern München win, it's 0.85. Really, it should be a lot less. 0.12 for I think it should be the other way around. Let's click on that, see what we got. Bayern München, I assume Bayern München are the favorite. Let's say what we got just for the example. Let's say Bayern München win. Price is 85. So you win the opposite. So you win, like, let's say you put I don't know, $100 for example. You win the opposite, which is 115. It should be the other way. Okay, that's what I think. Yeah, here you go. So if it's a draw, you win on $100, you win $88. It should be the other way, guys, just from a consumer perspective. So let's say, just for the example, I put $100. Your wallet has enough. It doesn't say how much I'll get, but I assume if I put $100, I will get 115. And I'm not gonna get 185. Okay, if I to get 185, this is the other way. Let's say Stuttgart surprise us. You put $100, you make extra $93. You don't make extra $7. Okay, it's the other way around. Let's see. It says here what people did buy. Bayern München, you see $10. Okay, cool, and you can see the transaction. Bayern München, Stuttgart $3. So there's no minimum. Withdraw, draw $5, and if you win, you get. Okay, good to know. You see? Okay. So that confirmed my suspicions. So let's say this was 115. Okay, so it should be 0.15. So let's say Bayern München wins. He put $10, and his winning is 11.15, and he did it when it was a little more. It was when it was 18 cents. Okay, so this was like 82. Then when he took the trade, pretty awesome. Draw 5 pays you 9 times more. Is this true? Yeah, 88%. Interesting. I don't know. It's kind of confusing. But yeah, it has potential, as they say. Again, add all the stuff in here. Let's see what else we got. Football. Let's go to baseball, just so you know. Where's let's see, Boston Red Sox, Baltimore starts at 7 p.m. I assume this is again Eastern time, but I don't know. Baltimore versus Boston Red Sox. Let's say I want to bet on the Red Sox. I put 49 and I get 51. Okay, and here Baltimore wins. I put 55. I get 45. Okay, so I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. But it's not bad. What is sports trivia? This is interesting. Let's click here. Sports firm ready to test your knowledge. Over time has launched a sports trivia competition. Weekly winners will earn NFT voucher that can be used instead of cool. Read all the information. I will read this. How to participate. Available to anyone to test their knowledge. Maybe I should do this. Eligible for rewards. You need to retweet this tweet. Follow overtime. Cool. Connect your wallet for any question. Twitter. Interesting. I might do this and then get some coupons. Resolve market. Let's see like latest results in soccer, so we can understand better. Resolved markets in soccer. Okay. Dortmund, the Tottenham. That's okay. So we got ourselves. Is this the? No, I don't know. Let's find something real quick that I know, like for sure. Juventus Fiorentina resulted 1-1. So let's see if the draw got some money. Draw claim. Paid $3. So let's say put $1. He got paid. It doesn't say how much he got paid or put. I probably need to click here. Fiorentina buy. He paid 500. How did he win? I don't know. Juventus position buy. Juventus. They all lost. So only the draw one. Okay. I don't know. It doesn't really says much. This is interesting, the sport trivia. If you gamble here, basically you get yourself some optimism rewards. I don't know how much. Feel free to read it here. All the links will be below. Trivia leaderboard, $200. Okay, I can do this. Maybe use Google. Google has all the answers. If you don't know, maybe that's alpha cheat code. Let's go on to the new one, exotic markets. Make sure I'm also recording as well. I saw this yesterday. It's kind of it's not confusing. It's not for me. It's not for me. I'm not a politician and all that stuff. I just sports, crypto, poker, the basic stuff. So you just go to this is like more live event as far as I know. We got ourselves will Evan Paul win the Vuelta 2022 red jersey. What's this? Formula 1? I don't know. Who will win the mountain stage 20? It's very specific for stuff that I don't know. I don't think there's a lot of people. Who will be the first prime minister confirmed by Riksdag after 2022 Swedish election? So this is very, very niche, very, it's not broad. Like you need to live in Sweden to know when is the election, and then super popular. Okay, total price $10. There's only one person that put $10 in. Who will win Formula 1? Okay, 2022, which held by Sunday, September. Okay, so this is in a few days. Who will win? I don't know. I don't do Formula 1. Which NFL team will have the most offensive yards on Sunday? What will be the highest? Will Cardano mainnet fork Vasil go live on mainnet? That's interesting. Only $30. So not a lot of people using. My honest feedback for Thales team, I like them. They're very, as I said, friendly people, responsive. They try to build and do better. Consolidate everything into one page and maybe do like side links for those two websites, the sports and the exotic. I actually think the sports could be a lot bigger than this for sure, and this, but this has been for a couple of months. I don't know if this, I don't know, maybe you need one page for everything. Don't send us to free links, and then it's just too much. It's just too much. Implement some feedbacks in here, and as I said in the last video, less is more. Simplicity and focus. Whatever makes you the most revenue, dump money on it. And I know those two just started, but if you see a little glimpse of more potential in here based on those, and if it doesn't cost you anything just to run this website, sure, but I assume it will. But just look, there's nothing here. $10 here. No one bid. I don't know. No one bid. No one bid. No one bid. I don't want to wait a month to find out who won the Swedish election. That's not what crypto gambling is. Okay, but here I can just gamble on soccer games. That's important. That's games every single day. This can be a source of revenue. If I were on the team, and I'm not, but feel free to DM me or something, I would focus my energy on this and just rebrand or something, because this is nice, but you know, synthetic down, Bitcoin, there's not, I don't know if you're making a lot of money in here. I know this is the OG, you started this months ago, but everything should be in one page. Add a lot of tab. You know, DraftKings has tons of value. Just an FYI, we need something like this in crypto. I think there's another competition, Azuki, something like that. I don't think they have a coin. We just did a testnet on this channel like more than 6 months ago. Yeah, there is demand for this. Gambling with crypto on sporting events on a daily basis, open 24/7 with all the sports categories in here. You will have a market. Focus on that. My humble opinion, not a financial advice. This was valuable. Zip Finance after 40. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.